Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Hermes Agent directly to your personal WhatsApp. By the end of this video, you'll be able to text your computer right from your phone, ask your AI agent to search the web, and help you get your tasks done without sitting at your desk. So let's get into this. First things first, open your Windows PowerShell and type WSL to jump into your Linux environment. Once you're inside your terminal, type the command Hermes WhatsApp. This command triggers the built-in configuration wizard. For this tutorial, type 2 and then hit enter for your personal number. After you hit enter, Hermes will take a minute to install the WhatsApp bridge dependencies. Once installed, a QR code will pop up in your terminal. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to linked devices and scan the QR code. Scanning this code authenticates your session securely, just like logging into WhatsApp web on a new computer. You'll see some logs scroll by saying WhatsApp paired successfully. This confirms the authentication worked and saves your credentials locally, so you won't have to scan the QR code every time you boot it up. To bring your agent online, type Hermes Gateway to start the UI and connect to port 3000. Starting the gateway is necessary because it actually boots up the AI agent's brain and links it to the live WhatsApp bridge we just built. Now go into WhatsApp and message yourself. And I'm going to type hello Hermes just to verify that the two-way communication is working. Now let's give it a real task by asking, what are the latest news headlines around the world today? Giving it an open-ended prompt allows us to test its ability to reach out to the internet for real-time data. As it processes, you can see it's editing its message in real time, showing its tool usage like navigating to Google News and taking snapshots. Seeing these logs is crucial because it confirms the agent is browsing the web for facts rather than just guessing or hallucinating. Just a few seconds later, it delivers a perfectly formatted bulleted summary right into our chat. And just like that, your WhatsApp is linked to your Hermes agent. You can now text your own agent to search the web, read your files, and help you complete tasks straight from your phone. But right now, your bot only works while your computer is awake and running. If you want it working 24/7, even when your laptop is closed, you'll need to move it to VPS. Watch this next video of mine to see how to use Hostinger to host your VPS so your bot never sleeps. Subscribe for more helpful AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.